It's your boy, Cousin Rod, back at another challenge. I'm going to try eat 500 grams of Nucrema, and for those wondering, Nucrema is a better version of Nutella, so move that aside. Nucrema is amazing, I love it, and let's get started. An Aussie classic, fairy bread, Nucrema edition. For those of you wondering, this whole meal has over 350 grams of sugar. Time for a water break. I need some salt. That's me, Cousin Rod, eating half a kilo of Nucrema in just under 20 minutes. Thanks for watching.